So last class only we did the wrong number in the series, correct? So today's class, wrong number, andre it is wrong number in the given pair of numbers. Adu it's a different type of question, same as finding wrong number in the series, but nimge question pattern different agi barutte. I'll explain how it is. Okay, small difference ide in both of them, so I'll just explain that today. So it is wrong number in a given pair of numbers. Can anyone tell me what does pair mean? Pair andre what is the meaning? Does anyone know that? Just pair of numbers, pair of socks, pair of pencils. Pair andre, you know what number does it indicate when I say pair? Can anyone try? Pair, did you do you know anyone the meaning of pair?
Pair means two.
Yeah, yes, sir. So pair of numbers means two numbers. Andre now 1, 2. It is a pair of numbers. A, B, pair of alphabets. So pair means two. Okay, so in this kind of questions, nimge pair of numbers irutte in the options. A pair of numbers alli in these two numbers relation irutte, one pattern or one relation. Based on that relation, ನೀವು check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು in all the options, are both the numbers following that relation or not. So whichever pair of number is not following that relation, that will be the correct answer. Idu I'll explain it with an example, then ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so first question ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, I'll explain that to you. Okay, so question alli you will have 4 or 5 options. So first question, option A is 8, 11. Option B is 6, 42. Option C is 5, 30. Option D 3, 12, and option E 2, 6. This is the question. So question, just see the question here. All the options, you have two numbers, one number comma the second number. So it is a pair of numbers. So e question pattern engirutte. Did you understand that much, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is the question pattern. Okay, each option two numbers, you'll get two numbers. Okay, so after this, the next step, you should try to find out the relation between both the numbers. Okay, so we'll try to find that out. Just a minute. Okay, even here, if you want a same number series alli, what was the first step which we did subtraction. Even here you can check with subtraction. Subtract both the numbers and let's check that. Okay, 100 minus 8 is 92. 42 minus 6 is 36. 30 minus 5 is 25. 12 minus 3 is 9. 6 minus 2 is 4. So idu subtraction, okay, of all the pairs of numbers. Now can one of you tell me, is there a pattern here in numbers nodidre? Do you see any pattern, any series? any relation in the differences, it is easy. Our previous classes number series adella, if you remember, you can easily find out there is a pattern here. Can anyone try?
Square.
Square of difference ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we got square of numbers, but all options A B C D E 4 options ಅಲ್ಲಿ all options ಗೆ square of number banta, or is it only some options?
Only some options.
Yes. So which option does not have a square difference?
92.
Yeah. So that is why this is the wrong number in the given pair of numbers. All these pairs subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what we got squares of numbers, 2 square, 3 square, 5 square, 6 square. These are all perfect squares. If it is a square of number, we call it as perfect square. 4 is a perfect square, 9 is a perfect square, 25 is a perfect square, and 36 is a perfect square. But 92 is not a perfect square. Okay, so ಈ 4 options ಅಲ್ಲಿ we got a square of numbers, but only first option ಅಲ್ಲಿ the difference is not a square of number. That is why the correct option here is option A. Why? Because the first option e pattern, whatever the pattern is there here, pattern or relation, what relation should we get here? If we subtract both the numbers, our number square of a number irbeku. Okay, but for the first option, if you subtract, you are not getting a square of number. That is why first option is the wrong number in the given pair of numbers. Did everyone understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone else?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the pattern. Okay, this is the pattern of how number series finding the wrong number in given pair. I'll explain one more question. So ee tara questions ge, see this question it was easy and straightforward. Andre ನೀವು simple subtraction ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, and then you got a straight away pattern. But for most of the questions, ee tara questions alli it is a combination. Andre square of number plus 1, square of number minus 1, ಆ ತರ combination ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So you should try many possibilities. Okay, so if you should be good at this, you should practice more questions. Okay, so,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, we'll try the next
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So the second question, first option is 6,27.
Yes, sir.
Option B 38,66. Option
Please water.
102,146. Okay. Option D 83,54. Option E 123,171. So idu second question. These are the pair of numbers. So idu, yeah, even here as usual, most of the time ನೀವು first step difference check ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So now I want you guys to tell me the difference. First option ಗೆ difference ಏನು? What is the difference here?
21.
Okay. Next option.
28.
Okay. Next option.
44.
Okay. Next.
29.
Okay, idu minus or plus, it's fine, it does not matter because just now relation ಏನು ಅದು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So it's okay. Next number.
48.
Okay, 48. So idu if we look at this 21, 28, 44, 29 and 48, there is no straight away pattern seen here, right? It is not a multiple, it is not squares of number, not cubes, not prime numbers. So it is a different type of relation. So we can try with combinations here.
true.
Please stop drawing. Don't draw on the screen. Okay. So what could be the relation? I'll tell you. So just a minute. Okay, so Illy, one thing which you can observe is n square plus 2 rule. N square plus 2 rule. This is one rule which is being followed in this questions. Andre, if n is equal to 1, n square plus 2, what is n square? If n is equal to 1, what is n square plus 2?
3.
3. Let's make, okay. If n is equal to 2, what is n square plus 2?
6.
2 square plus 2 is 6. Okay. For n is equal to 3?
11.
11. 9 plus 2, 11. N is equal to 4. Then what is n square plus 2?
18.
Yes, 18. Next, n is equal to 5. What is n square plus 2?
27.
Yeah, 27. For n is equal to 6, n square plus 2 is
38.
38. So, Itara, if you keep on, yeah, okay. Please don't write on the screen. It's fine. You can just tell me. Mic unmute Madi, you can tell me the answer. So this way, if you keep on writing the pattern, ivaga 6 bantu. We got 6, we got 28, we got 38. So let us check for other numbers. Bere numbers check. Let's check. For n is equal to 7, n square plus 2 is 51.
51.
Yes. N is equal to 8, n square plus 2 is
66.
66.
yes, 66. So even 66 bantu. So it is not option A, option B. Option A, option B are correct. Why? Because they are following a pattern, or the other rule. There is a rule here. What is the rule? N square plus 2. So both the numbers are following that rule, n square plus 2. Because 6 is 2 square plus 2, 27 is 5 square plus 2, 38 is 6 square plus 2, 66 is 8 square plus 2. Okay, so idella follow, all these numbers are following that rule. Now, illi continue, you don't have to continue also. Look at option D. Illi 54 ide. Okay, we came up to 66. Until here, did you find 54 anywhere? 3, 6, 11, 18, 27, 38, 51 and then 66. 54 is 54 number there anywhere here in this series?
No, ma'am.
No. So you can can you tell me which is the wrong number in the given pair of series? Which is the wrong pair?
83 and 54.
Yeah, correct. Nivu, to save time, Nivu, you don't have to check until 171. 171 in the, if you keep on checking, you will lose a lot of time. So check until first options nodi, check until the minimum number possible. So okay, 66 until 66 you checked. Now it is very clear 54 e pattern alli illa. So obviously option D will be the wrong pair in the given number of series. Understood? Did you understand this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Okay. So either directly by looking at it, you can't tell, okay, this is n square plus 2 rule. So to get that speed, you have to practice more. If you practice more questions, nimge more type of rules, more type of patterns, you'll have an idea about it. So then in ನಿಮಗೆ easy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. You'll have practice, you'll have good practice and you can remember all these rules. Okay, so that's why you should practice more of these questions. We'll go to the next question. Idu artha aita? Did everyone understand this? The pattern, how it is, how these questions are. Ellargu artha aita? Not
Yes,
many
ma'am.
people are answering. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll explain more questions. You will understand. So for the third one, the options are option A 2,8, option B 1,1, option C 6,216, option D 3,27, and option E 5,100. This is the question. So even this question is straightforward. If you practiced none of from number series, I kept telling, right? Squares of numbers, cubes of numbers. So idu, if you people practiced, straight away you can tell me the answer, which is the wrong pair. Can anyone try? I'll give you just 1 minute. Try, Madi. It's very simple, straightforward question. Idu. Nanu, I also gave you a hint. It is related to either squares of numbers or cubes of numbers. So I also gave you the hint. So you can try. It's very easy, straightforward question. Try, Madi.
Cubes of number.
Yeah, correct. Cubes of numbers. Nodi, first number is 2. What is 2 cube?
8.
Yes. What is 1 cube?
1.
What is 6 cube? What is 6 cube? 6 6 are 36. What is 36 into 6?
206.
216. Okay. What is 3 cube? 3 3s are 9. What is 9 into 3?
27. 27.
Yes. What is 5 cube?
125.
Can someone mute your mic? Disturbance bartide. Okay. Yeah. So 5 cube is 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 is 120.
125.
Yes. So now tell me which is the wrong pair in the given question.
5 and 100.
Yeah.
100.
Correct. 5 and 100. Because idella nodi first number. If you do the cube of first number, you will get the second number. 2 cube 8, 1 cube 1, 6 cube 216, 3 cube 27. But 5 cube is not 100. 5 cube is 125. That's why option E is the wrong pair in the given options. Is this clear? Idu artha aita? Did everyone understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, we'll do the next question then. Fourth one. Okay, first option is first option is 1,9. Option B 9,16. Option C 17,64. Option D 25,81. Option E 169,225. This is the question. This is also very straightforward question. So just try to remember what all you have learned. I'll give you 1 minute. You guys try and tell me. It is very simple. It is very straightforward. So Nevo check Madi and tell me what is the right answer according to you. Just take 1 minute. After 1 minute, I'll only tell the answer.
Ma'am, square pattern.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Square pattern ಇದೆ ma'am.
Yes, correct. This is 1 square. 9 is square of which number?
3 square.
3 square. Okay, so this is also 3 square. 16 is square of which number?
4 square.
4 square.
17? Is it a square? Yes,
Ma'am,
17 is not even a perfect square. Okay, 64?
8 square.
8 square.
25?
5 square.
5 square.
Okay, 81?
9 square.
Okay, 169?
13 square.
Yes, correct. 225?
15 square.
50 square. Now you tell me which is the wrong pair. Which option?
Option
C.
C ma'am.
Correct. Why? Because all other options, a pair of numbers only, both the numbers are perfect squares. 17 is not a perfect square. Okay, did you understand this? 17 is not a perfect square, but all other 4 options only, both the numbers are perfect squares. That is why option C, 17,64 is the wrong pair in given number of series. Okay, did you understand this, everyone?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll do one last question. Option A 2,5, option B 4,17, option C 5,26, option D 9 and 80, option E 10 and 101. Yes, this is your question. Can you try this? This is also easy. I think ನೀವು options ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, if you observe the options itself, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ what is the relation. But take your time. You can do this. You guys can figure it out. So try ಮಾಡಿ. Just take some time. And then I
Ma'am,
will.
square and plus
1.
Yes, exactly. It's square and plus 1. What is 2 square?
4 ma'am. 4
2
plus
square
1 5.
Yes, 5. So match ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. Next, what is 4 square plus 1?
7. Ma'am, 16. 16 plus 1 17.
Next, 5 square plus 1.
25
plus 1 26.
Okay. Yes, 9 square plus 1.
30. 9.
81.
9 square is 81. What is 9 square plus 1?
82. 82 ma'am.
82. Okay. Next, what is 10 square plus 1?
100 plus
101.
101. So now, Hivaga, you tell me which is the wrong pair.
Option D,
9 and 80.
Yes, 9 and 80. Because idu match ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. See, this is not matching, but every other number is correct. 5, 5, 17, 26, 101. So only option D is not matching. So that's why option D is the wrong pair in given number of series. Did you understand, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So just a minute. Okay, for now, I think this is enough. Tomorrow we'll start with I'll try to start a new topic tomorrow, or we can revise the same thing. I'll let you know tomorrow. Okay. Next class is tomorrow, same timing.